Yes. Good afternoon, children. Here we can start today's class.
Good
And in the
afternoon.
last class, we discussed about the fruits and seeds, isn't it? Some of the seeds, from some of the seeds, we will get new baby plants. That we discussed it in the last class, isn't it? So here, Anselin, what you want to share, Anselin? Yes,
Ma'am,
Anselin.
banana flower.
Wait. All children, wait. Anselin? Yes, banana flower. Okay, banana flower. So, at the end of the, yeah. So, you can see this, the banana flower. See, when the fruits are small, they will get the nutrients from this flower, from that part. Okay. And you also might have tasted the honey from it. Am I correct? Am I correct? Okay,
Yes,
very good.
ma'am.
Yes,
Thank you,
ma'am.
Anselin.
Some
Thank you.
doesn't have honey, some have honey.
Oh, okay. The taste may be different. Okay, so here I am happy to see Varada, Isra. So many have the plants. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
onion.
Okay. So what is this, Varada?
Ma'am, this is onion.
Okay, onion. Okay, onion. From the onion, you can see the so you can see the shoots comes out of it, isn't it?
Ma'am,
Very
I
good,
can see
very
an
good.
onion
Ma'am,
under it.
Okay,
ma'am,
so this
I
one,
have
Varda,
green gram.
green gram. Okay, last day you showed some sprouted green gram. I think children, you all have seen it, isn't it? See, this is called this leaves, small leaves. Also, you can use it in your diet, in your food, in the
You can mix
omelets and all. You can cut these small leaves into small pieces, and you can use it. So your omelets will become more nutritious.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Ma'am, we will
next
Not
I
sprout.
only that,
have
in the when you
banana
keep some
in curry.
doshas, in that also you can mix
Ma'am,
it.
but
Yes,
that's
what is
showing.
this, Varada?
Bengal gram.
Bengal gram. Okay, that one also you showed some sprouted Bengal gram.
Ma'am,
Is it for planting that you sprouted it? Then
Yes, ma'am.
take.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
okay. See, children,
Ma'am,
within 1 week,
is showing something.
Adide, please wait. Within 1 week, almost the Varada got this much height. See, you can see some of the Bengal gram inside it. Can you tilt it? Yes. Some of the Bengal grams also. So, Varada, can you take one plant from it? Only one
Okay, ma'am.
plant. Okay. One plant. Okay. Only
Good
one is
afternoon, ma'am.
enough.
It's not
Only one.
getting
Okay,
it.
wait, children, or you can see. Yes. That pot, you can keep it on one side. We can see this. We can check this sprouted bean, sprouted Bengal gram. Yes, good. So can you see that, children? Last day, Varada showed that cotyledon, then the seed coat. Do you remember that or things?
Yes.
Huh? Yeah, the covering of the Bengal gram. That is the not only Bengal gram. That is the seed coat. Inside the seed coat, the seed is very safe. Okay, and yeah, and you can see the Bengal gram or the green gram, whatever it is, inside it some fleshy part is there. That one we used to eat, isn't it? So that is called cotyledon. Cotyledon. This is storing food for the baby plant. Okay, so in the this Varadas showing one baby plant. So for growing that baby plant, they need food. From the sprouted food, roots are not there. So from where do they get? They get the food from the cotyledon. That means the edible part of the Bengal gram. Can you see it, children? Sorry. Wait. Okay, so you understood? Yes. Anselin is showing one pumpkin flower. This some of the pumpkin flower will change it into pumpkin. Okay, so is there pumpkin is there, Anselin? No.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Varada. Wait, Isra. Okay, Eva and Isra, please wait. Yes,
Ma'am,
Varda.
when the some of the pumpkin flowers down has some like it is some like it's like this. So
Okay, okay,
that
okay.
will become pumpkin.
Yes, yes, yes. The male and female flowers, we have to fuse it. Then only that will change it into flower. Okay, fruit, not to flower, fruit. Okay, Anselin, enough. Got it. Okay, enough. Don't go anywhere. Now listen. So, Eva Rose, what you are showing,
like
it is
that,
mango sapling. Okay, mango
Mango
sapling.
has some will be like some will come like this, some will be staying like this and becoming larger into a
Okay,
full
okay,
mango.
okay, Aditi. Okay, so
There only one leaf. Now so many leaves are there.
okay. Thank you. And Isra, now we can see Isra's. Isra, yes, what is there with you? Yes,
Ma'am,
yes.
this is my 3 garlic plants.
Garlic plants of 3 different. Okay.
Ma'am,
Ah,
ma'am,
yes. That what is that one? That small in the small pot.
and these two is
Coriander leaves.
yes,
Yes,
coriander leaves.
coriander leaves. See, have you seen coriander, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Mallila. That is what she planted. Okay, from the coriander, if we put this coriander onto the soil and if we keep some moisture on it, that from that coriander, new shoots will come. Coriander leaves which we are getting from the shops. Okay, for
Ma'am, can we eat directly coriander leaves?
yes, in salads and all without cooking we are using it, no?
Ma'am,
Yes, Ivaro, sapotas and all fruits. Inside the sapota, you will get a lot of seeds. Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay,
ma'am.
so brinjal. Wait, children. Brinjal also. Brinjal is also a fruit. See, can you see that flowers? Brinjal flowers, white colored flowers are there. Okay.
Ma'am, brinjal flowers are not there because they became brinjal.
Okay, they all become brinjal. Okay, maybe see you are here. You can see at the bottom part of that one white colored some flowers I saw. Is it not a brinjal flower? Okay, that is different. Okay, not fruit, not the fruits. Okay, so anyhow, we understood, we got a clear idea about how the fruits turn it into baby plant. The seeds which are present inside the fruit will turn it into new baby plant if they get proper amount of sunlight.
Showing something.
Okay, Eva, it is enough, Eva and Amil and all. Okay, enough. Okay, now I am going to
And before some days, when I see a video,
Hmm.
the coriander leaves we need to dip in the water. Then
Okay,
only root
okay.
come.
Okay, Anselin. Okay, Amil. Thank you. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, tell me.
Muhammad Amil.
Plant.
Okay. Okay. Which plant is it? Which plant?
Finger.
Okay, lady's finger. Okay, from the seeds of the lady. See, this is beans, isn't it? Bean. So you can see that one. From that we will get lot of seed. Okay, student. So here I am going to start my class. Okay. So we learned, mute your audio, Adinath. Mute your audio. So here we want to learn the name of the process. Okay, name of the process that is called germination. Devadarshan, everyone check your audio. Is it muted or not? Check it properly fast. So germination, it is the name of the process by which a seed turns it into a new baby plant. Okay, so in the last class, Varada showed one white structure comes out of the Bengal gram or green gram. Have you seen? If you are keeping at your home, likewise, you can also sprouts it. Okay, you can also will get the sprouts. So today itself, you take some green gram, put it in water, soak it for one night. Okay. Then tomorrow morning, you can take it from the water and simply keep it there. Evening, up to evening, you can see white sprouts comes out of it.
A night, ma'am, you mean a night means 8 hours?
Yeah, 6 hours, 6 to 8 hours, we can soak it. After that, we can take it out from the water and keep
Ma'am.
it simply. If you have any this cloth pieces or anything is there, just to put it on that cloth piece.
I
Then
did like that.
evening, if you check it, you can see small sprouts comes out of it. Okay, that means it is start to produce a new baby plant. That means it start to produce a new baby plant. The process of producing new baby plant from a seed is called germination. Germination. Okay, so children, take your rough book. And Celine, read the spelling of germination. Write the new word germination. Fast.
Can I read?
Yes. Everyone.
R M I N A T I O N.
Okay, read it fast. Why you are picking up the letters?
Germination.
What is that word? Germination. What is that word?
Germination.
Germination. Okay. So, Adidev, Adinath, mute your audio. Devadarshan, can you hear me, Devadarshan? Unmute. Yes, read this word. Read the spelling of this word. Read the spelling fast. G-E-R, no?
Might write this in the rough
Germination.
What is that word? Germination. 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 What is that word? Germination. Okay. So here, what is meant by germination? When a seed grows into a new plant, it is called germination. When a seed grows into a new plant, it
Ma'am,
is
need to
called
write that?
germination.
Ma'am, we need to write when seed.
No.
grows in-
So, Ayil Arun, can you hear me, Ayil Arun? Ayil, can you hear me? Yes, so unmute. Unmute. Fast. Unmute. Yes, response please.
Ma'am,
Okay, so Ayil, what is the name of the process? Without my permission, nobody is allowed to unmute and speak themselves. Understood? Ayil Arun, what is the name of the process that we are learning now?
flowers.
Process.
Root.
Process. Name of the process.
Germination.
Adinath, your chance is missed. Okay. I told mute it and sit properly. Ayil Arun, what is the name of the process that we are learning now?
How to grow plants.
Process. Okay, how to grow plants we learn. And here we are discussing the name of a process by which the seeds become plants. What is that name? When a seed turns it into a new baby plant, what we can call that process? Yes, so many are raising their hand.
Germination.
Germination. Got it? Huh? So when a seed turns it into a new baby plant, we can call that process as germination. So in the last class, Varada showed some germinated seeds, green gram seeds and Bengal gram seeds, isn't it? Did you all see that one, children? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So now, say in banana, you can see a lot of black small seeds in it. Am I correct? Am I correct? Yes. Can anybody use that seed for making new banana plant? No. Then what we are using it for? What we are using bananas, which part we are using for preparing, for making the, okay, Adinath is showing some, that is called stem of the banana tree or plantain, isn't it? Stem of the plantain. Okay, good. This stem, see, why we are using only stem of it? Because if we plant the banana seeds for making new baby plant, we won't get enough baby plants. If we take hundreds of seeds, so by chance, if any one baby plant, if we get, that is by our luck. Okay, so yield is not that much. But if we use one stem of the banana tree, we will get a new plantain tree, plantain plant. Got it? But we are not sure that will we get a new banana plant from the seed. That is why we are not using that one. Last day, somebody asked that question, isn't it? And in the same way, just I want to make a new rose plant. Okay, red rose plant I want to make. So I cut one branch of the mother plant and I planted it in the soil. Yes. Adinath, don't show so much actions. Okay. So I cut the part of a branch of that plant and I planted it. Then from after a few days, I got a new shoot out of from. Okay, I got it. So can I call that process as germination? Can I call that process as, yeah, very good. So germinate, why I can't call it as a germination? I got a new plant. I got a new baby plant. So why I can't call that process as germination?
Ma'am.
Yes, who can tell me? Raise your hand. Chris. Yes, Chris.
Ma'am, germination is called the seed can.
Okay, when a seed turns it into a plant, we can call that process as germination. When we get a baby plant from the stem or from the branches or from the leaves also, we can make baby plants. Am I correct? Yes. Nisha Gandhi, queen of night, that is the plant that we will get the new baby plant from its leaves, isn't it? So different part, Laya, I can't see your face. We can make baby plants from different parts of the plant, isn't it? Some from its roots, some from its stems, some from its leaves. But most of the plants are formed from its seeds. That process is called germination. Got it? Is it clear, Anvia? Is it clear? Okay. So tell me, Anvia, what is the name of the process when a seed turns it into a baby plant? Germination. Okay, Arfan, are you listening? Okay. So, okay, tell me, for germination, what all things, is it anything required for germination, children? Is there anything required for germination? No. Or yes? Adinath, please stop. Okay. So what all things are required for it? Leia. Yes, Leia.
Ma'am, proper sunlight,
Sunlight. That is very essential, isn't it? Yes, sunlight. Then water,
nutrients,
nutrients,
air.
air. Okay, sunlight, soil also. But nowadays, without using soil also, we can make this this one. No?
Without water we can do.
Without water, we can't.
Ma'am,
Okay.
water we can do. Put in the water.
Okay, put in the word. Yes, yes, yes. Putting by without soil, we can make some green plants. Yes, Varada.
Ma'am, I was in the previous class. I showed the sprouted Bengal gram, and when I was going to plant it, some of them
Dead.
fall down to the. There was a small wash basin out, and
Okay.
after some days, from the
It
water,
grow it from the, on there.
plant.
Okay,
Yes, a
okay.
plant.
So without the soil also we can, so nowadays we can use some technical things and we can use that. Isn't it? Okay. So here I want to share what all things we required for germination. As Leia told, a seed needs soil, very important. Soil means we can substitute with that. Water, air, and nutrients, and enough sunlight also. Okay, enough sunlight also. Light. Is it clear, children? Yes. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay. So a seed needs soil, water, air, and nutrients, and enough in the presence of enough sunlight to germinate. So I took the first letter of each required things. S for soil, W for water, A for air, N for nutrients. S, once again, we can use it for sunlight, isn't it? So if you remember this swan, if this word, you can think, you can write which all things are required for the germination. Is it easy for you? Is it easy for you? Okay. So who will be Arfan? Tell me what you are doing there, Arfan, today.
Writing.
What you are writing?
That a seed needs
Okay, okay. So tell me what all a seed required for germination?
soil,
Hmm.
air,
Hmm.
water,
Hmm.
proper sunlight,
Hmm.
nutrients.
Very good. Okay, swan. Likewise, you can remember. S for soil and sunlight. Okay, got it? S for soil and sunlight. A for air. W for water. N for nutrients. Is it clear, children? Is it clear? Okay. Adidev, Webrid, Anselin, Chris, Gauri, Nanda. Yes. Everyone switch on your video. Yes.
Can you please share the screen? I want to write.
Okay. So here the things that a seed required to germinate. Okay, soil, water, air, nutrients, and enough sunlight.
New words.
Sorry?
We need to write this in the new words.
No. Just you just remember it. Okay, write it as swan. S for soil and sunlight. W for water. A for air. N for nutrients. It is not the new word. Okay. Clear? So Nihal, is that your audio is okay now?
Ma'am, can I have a question.
Wait. Nihal, can you hear me?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
See, children, all others, please mute. I am testing Nihal. Nihal, I think we can't hear you. Okay. So let me call some other student. Yes, Jaswin. John Daniel, your video is switching off today. Jesslyn, Jesslyn,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, tell me which are the things that required for a seed to germinate?
Soil,
Hmm.
water, air, nutrients.
This much only. These all things in the presence of enough sunlight. Isn't it, Rohit? Isn't it, Rohit?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me which are the things that required for the seed to germinate?
A seed needs soil, water, air, and nutrients to germinate.
This much only. One more is there. One more is.
Sunlight.
Okay, okay. So got it, children? Okay. So next point. Next point. Yes. See, if all the seeds of a mango tree, if it falls down under that mother tree, see, will all the seeds will get enough water, enough sunlight, nutrients and all? No. Just think, you want to make so many this lady's finger or brinjal plants. So in your home, so many brinjal seeds are there. If you take all that seeds, nearly 20 to 25 seeds in and if you planted it in a pot, will all that after germination, will they get all these seeds will get enough water, enough space for growing? No. So we can't plant it like that, isn't it? So we have to spread that seeds to different pots or in different areas, isn't it? Can you are you understanding? Are you following me? Shreya? Yes, Shreya. Okay. So in the same case, if all the mangoes of a mango tree, if it falls under the same mango tree, will they get enough space for growing?
No.
To get enough space, we should spread. And we are listen here. In order to get enough space for all the baby plant, we should spread that baby plants to different places. Okay, the spreading of seeds away from the mother plant, that is called another phenomena, that is called dispersal. Dispersal. Can you see this, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So next word, dispersal. Write it. New word. Dispersal. So I request Ayil to read the spelling of dispersal.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, excused.
Ma'am, Amaya is telling admit her.
Ameya. Nobody is here. Nobody is being waiting.
The time is going to finish, so she gone.
Now I didn't see anybody here in waiting room. Whom all I am seeing, I am admitting them. Okay. So children, write down the new word that is dispersal. 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 Write down, John Daniel, read the spelling of dispersal. John?
Yes, ma'am.
Read the spelling of dispersal.
DISPERSAL.
What is that word?
Dispersal.
Okay, Muhammad Amil, read the spelling of dispersal.
DISPERSAL.
What is that
Dispersal.
word? Rohit
Dispersal.
Krishna, read the spelling of dispersal.
DISPERSAL.
Okay, dispersal. So if anybody asks you what is meant by dispersal, we should give a definition, isn't it? The spreading of seeds from the plant is known as dispersal of seeds. Spreading of seeds. Spreading of seeds away from the plant is known as dispersal of seed. Got it? So, Anvia, what is meant by dispersal of seed? What is meant by dispersal of seed, Anvia? Today you are not listening. You are not attentive today. Tell me.
Of seeds from the plants is known as the dispersal of seeds.
Okay. Isra, what is meant by dispersal of seed?
The spreading of seeds from the plant is known as dispersal of seed.
Okay. So children, today we learned two terms. That is one is germination and another one dispersal. The definitions you will get it from the textbook. Okay. Now I am going to take the attendance. Okay.